Ta-da-da-dum.
What are you doing, Mr Tumble?
Oh, hello. Well, all of the toys have got their friends round for playtime. Woohoo! So, I've got my popcorn and I thought I could go and sit in my favourite chair and watch a film. Hey! What's going on here?
Lord Monkey and his friends have decided to watch a monkey film.
Oh, Lord Monkey. Oh, this is a good one. But I've seen it already.
Maybe you could do something else that's fun, Mr Tumble.
Oh, that's a good idea. How about playing with a ball in my garden? Woohoo!
That sounds fun, Mr Tumble.
Oh, it certainly does. Hey, let's go. Fun, fun, fun. It's gonna be fun. Woohoo! Yay! Wait.
What's happening in the garden, Mr Tumble?
Oh, the puppy's got all of his friends over for playtime too. Whoa, the garden's full of puppies. It's a bit noisy. Hello, the puppy.
I think the puppy and his friends want the ball to play with, Mr Tumble.
Oh, good boy. There you go. There's no room for me.
Maybe you could do something else that's fun, Mr Tumble.
I don't know. I am feeling a bit sleepy. Oh, I've got an idea. Sleepy time. I'm going to have a nice lie down in my comfy bed. Wait. Tumble Ted and his friends have finished playing and now they're having sleepy time too.
Oh no, where are you going to sleep, Mr Tumble?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I'll just have a little sleep over here instead. Excuse me.
Oh no. Mr Tumble? Mr Tumble?
Oh, yeah.
Mr Tumble?
Yes?
Before you have your sleep, can you show us the sign for playtime?
Yes. Playtime. You sign. Playtime.
Thank you, Mr Tumble. You're our friend.
And you're my friend. We're all friends. Just have a little sleep here again. Okay, everyone. Are you ready?
How's the film going, Mr Tumble?
Oh, well, it's nearly finished. We just need to film the beginning bit, or scene 1.
Are you directing, Mr Tumble?
Yes! Right, here we go. Right, press record. Right, and action! That means we've started. Right, are you ready, actors? Here we go. Oh, I'm in search of the Frog Princess. I'm going to go on a journey with the puppy. Well done. Oh, Polly Dolly, it's your turn. Wow, the Frog Princess, eh? She sounds really cool. Well done. Right, Lord Monkey. Yes, have a safe journey, won't you? Excellent. Right, will do. Bye-bye. Oh, the puppy. Good barking. And cut. Well done. That's a wrap. That means we've finished filming.
Ooh, can we see the finished film, Mr Tumble?
Well, yes, you can, when the film is ready. Now, has everyone got their popcorn? Excellent.
Are you going to watch your film now, Mr Tumble?
Oh, yes! We're all so excited! Right, are you ready? Here we go. Oh, it's beginning. Polly Dolly, I have to go on a journey with the puppy to find the Frog Princess. Oh, well done, Tumble Ted. Good acting.
Ruff, ruff.
Oh, the puppy with your barking. Oh.
Please come back soon and bring the Frog Princess with you.
Polly Dolly, that was great.
Ooh, I say, safe journey.
Wow, Mr Tumble, your film is so amazing.
Oh, thank you. Well, it is all because of my lovely, talented actors. Well done, everyone.
Mr Tumble,
Yes?
can you show us the sign for actor?
Oh, yes. Actor. You sign. Actor.
Thank you, Mr Tumble. You're our friend.
Oh, and you're my friend. We're all friends. What a beautiful day. There you go, Tumble Ted. All safe and sound. Woohoo!
Ooh, Mr Tumble, that's a very grand car.
Ta-da! The Tumble Car. Woohoo! Right. There we are. Aha! Wait. Of course. Slightly overpacked. There we are. That should fit. Perfect. Woohoo!
You are funny, Mr Tumble.
I know. Oh, Tumble Ted, so exciting. Now, yes, I remember. This should do it. Hey. Goodbye. Sorry, Grandad Tumble.
What's Mr Tumble?
Wait. Hey, yeah. Good boy. Oh, sorry, Grandad.
Well done, Mr Tumble. Now you can drive Tumble Ted to the seaside.
Woohoo! Come on, Tumble Ted. Right, Tumble Ted. Off we go. Oh, music. Oh, wait.
Oh dear, Mr Tumble.
Uh-huh.
Hooray! You fixed the music, Mr Tumble. Now you must be ready to drive to the seaside.
Oh, yes! Woohoo! Come on, Tumble Ted. Let's go!
Have a great day, Mr Tumble.
Thank you!
Before you go, please could you show us the sign for car?
Oh, of course we could. Car. You sign. Car. Well done.
Thank you, Mr Tumble. We think you're a star.
Oh, and we think you're all shining stars.
Hello, Fisherman Tumble.
Oh, ahoy there.
Are you fishing, Fisherman Tumble?
Well, yes, I'm a very good fisherman.
You are very good at fishing, Fisherman Tumble.
Thank you.
How many fish have you caught?
Well, let's count them.
One,
two, three,
four.
four.
Four
fish.
Well done, Fisherman Tumble.
Thank you.
Oh, hello, Fisherman Tumble.
Hello.
Hello, Mr Tumble.
Hello! I was just waving to Fisherman Tumble. And look, he's waving back to me. Woohoo! Right, here we go. Ugh. Ah. Oh, I think I've caught something.
Is it a fish, Mr Tumble?
Wait. Oh, wow! I've caught one fish. Woohoo! I'm going to put it into the bucket.
Good idea.
Wait.
We'll see how Fisherman Tumble is getting on. Hello, Fisherman Tumble.
Ahoy there.
Have you caught any more fish?
Oh, no. I think you'll find we've still got
One, two, three.
What? Hang on a minute. 3 fish? Well, I had 4 fish. One of my fish has gone.
Fisherman Tumble! Fisherman Tumble!
What, yes?
Another fish has gone.
Oh, no. I think you're mistaken. I've got 1, 2. Wait, 2 fish? Oh.
Mr Tumble, have you seen Fisherman Tumble's missing fish?
No, I haven't. Oh, I think I've caught another fish. Yay! Oh, look, I've caught another fish. I'll pop it into the bucket. Now then.
Hey, what? Give me my fish back.
You've been catching Fisherman Tumble's fish.
Have I? Whoops.
Wow.
Oh, dear. I'm sorry I caught your fish.
Oh, that's okay.
There aren't any fish left.
No, but I do have some sandwiches.
How many sandwiches, Mr Tumble?
One, two. Two sandwiches. One for me and one for you.
Thank you. Good counting, Mr. Tumbles.
Well,
Please could you show us the sign for counting, Fisherman Tumble?
Well, me? Oh, well, oh yes. Okay. Counting. You sign. Counting. Let's have a look. Oh, good counting.
Thank you, Fisherman Tumble. You're our friend.
And you're my friend. We're all friends.
Mr Tumble, where are you going?
I'm going to the stables.
The stables, Mr Tumble.
Yes! Woohoo! Horsey, Horsey!
Shall we shout if we see a horsey, Mr Tumble?
Ooh, yes, please. Horsey, where are you?
Mr Tumble, there's a horse behind you.
Oh, right. Well, I can't see a horse behind me.
It's right behind you, Mr Tumble.
Oh, wait. There's no... Hello, Horsey. Oh, it's good to meet you.
No, Mr Tumble, you stroke the horse to say hello.
Stroke the horse? Oh, yes. Did you know that I can speak horse?
Really, Mr Tumble?
Yes. Ahem.
No, Mr Tumble, you're speaking cat, not horse.
Oh, wait. She's called Spotty.
Hello, Spotty. Are you going to ride Spotty, Mr Tumble?
Yes, I'm going to ride Spotty. But first, she needs some food and water. I'll just get something. There you go, Spotty. Dig in. There we are. Oh, well done. Now I'll get you some water. Help me, Spotty. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's better. I'll get some water.
Oh dear, Mr Tumble, you are silly.
Yes, I know.
Are you going to ride Spotty now?
Yes, I'm going to ride Spotty. Woohoo! Right, come on,
You'll
Spotty.
need a riding hat, Mr Tumble.
Hey, what? A riding hat? Oh, ha! There we go. One riding hat. Ah.
You're meant to wear the riding hat, not Spotty.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Spotty. Why didn't you tell me I'm supposed to wear it?
That's better, Mr Tumble.
Now I'm ready to ride Spotty. Come on.
Before you go, Mr Tumble, please could you show us the sign for horse?
Oh, yes. Horse. You sign, horse. Oh, very good.
Thank you, Mr Tumble. You're our friend.
But you're my friend too. We're all friends. Right then. Come on, Spotty. Wait, no, where are you going? No, wait. Wait.
Hello, Mr Tumble. What are you doing?
Hello. Well, it's lunchtime, so I'm going to have my lunch outside. Woohoo!
Good idea, Mr Tumble. But why are you taking the table outside?
Well, to put my food on. But the table won't fit through the door.
Mr Tumble, how about having a picnic outside on a picnic blanket?
Oh, yes, good idea. Now, I need a blanket. Oh, look, here's one. Ta-da! I'll just get out of it.
You need to roll the blanket up again.
Okay. Now I'm ready for my picnic. Woohoo!
But what about the food, Mr Tumble?
Oh, yes. I need some yummy food. Aha! Yummy food coming right up. Yummy!
Well done, Mr Tumble. You're carrying all that food very carefully.
Yeah!
Never mind, Mr Tumble. Why don't you carry the food in a picnic basket?
Oh, yes. Good idea. Now I'm definitely ready for my picnic. Ta-da! This is the perfect place to have my picnic. Woohoo!
Are you sure, Mr Tumble? It looks a bit steep.
It's why.
Are you okay, Mr Tumble?
Yes, I'm okay. This is a very steep place to have my picnic.
Where are you going to go then?
I'm over there. This is the perfect place to have my picnic. Woohoo!
And all of your friends have come too.
Yes, for lunchtime.
Please could you show us how to sign lunchtime?
Oh, yes. Lunchtime. You sign lunchtime. Good.
Thank you, Mr Tumble. You're our friend.
And you're my friend. We're all friends. Oh, the tumbles on the bus go beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, the tumbles on the bus go beep, beep, beep. All day long. Woohoo!
Hello, Mr Tumble.
Hello! We're on our way to the campsite. Woohoo! We're going camping.
Have we arrived at the campsite, Grandad Tumble?
Yes, we've arrived at the campsite. Everybody off.
Woohoo! Thank you, Grandad Tumble.
Wow, what a quiet campsite, Mr Tumble.
Oh, yes. It's a very quiet campsite.
Now, where shall I put my tent?
How marvellous.
Well, it's time to put the tents up, the boy. Oh, I know you're excited.
Wow, look at all the tents. This is a pretty tent. Who would camp in a tent like this?
Yoo-hoo! This is my tea room tent.
Of course, it's Aunt Polly. Ooh, is this your tent, Lord Tumble?
Yes, it's my Tumble Towers tent.
Wow! And who would camp in a tent like this?
Me!
Hello, Grandad. So this must be Mr Tumble's tent. Mr Tumble.
Yes?
Is it time for you to go to sleep now, Mr Tumble?
Yes, it's time for us to go to sleep in our tents. The tumbles in the tents will go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
The tumbles in their tents will go to sleep all night long.
Good night. Good night, old bean.
Good night, Mr Tumble. Good night, everyone.
Sleep tight.
Sweet dreams. Night, night.
Sleep well.
The snoring is stopping me sleeping.
What's that racket? I say.
Wait.
Oh dear, I'm off.
I need my beauty sleep, you know. Oh, the noise.
Where are you going, Mr Tumble?
Somewhere quiet so I can sleep.
You're funny, Mr Tumble.
I know.
Before you go to sleep, Mr Tumble, please could you show us the sign for tent?
Wait, I mean, okay, wait. Tent. You sign. Tent. Very good.
Thank you, Mr Tumble. We think you're a star.
We think that you're all shining stars.
Oh, yes.
Oh, hello, Grandad Tumble.
Hey. Oh, hello.
What are you doing, Grandad Tumble?
Well, I'm making sure that my garden is in tip-top tidy condition. Oh, yes. Look at that. It's a beauty.
Lovely. And here comes Mr Tumble the judge.
Oh, hello, the boy.
Wow, Grandad, your garden is incredibly tidy. A tidy garden. Now, what you need to...
Hey, what are you doing? Don't stop it. Hey,
Hey.
no, it's my garden.
I can't get it off.
Wait a second.
Hey, what's going on? Sorry, Grandad Tumble.
Wow! You've created a water feature, Grandad Tumble.
Oh, yes! I'm a water feature. Oh, woohoo! Whoa! Wow!
Hello, Mr. Tumble. What do you think of my wonderful roses? Would you care for a sniff?
Oh. Ooh, it's close. Achoo!
Oopsie, Mr Tumble.
Oh no! My washing! Oh, that's my favourite silk handkerchief.
Sorry, Aunt Polly.
Keep it.
Oh, dearie me.
So, Mr Tumble, who has won the Best Kept Garden competition?
Good question. Now, who has won?
Has Aunt Polly won with her beautiful rose garden decorated in laundry?
Oh!
Or Grandad's tidy garden with the water feature?
May the contestants step forward, please. And the winner of the Best Kept Garden is... Grandad Tumble! Woohoo! Oh, I've got a... that's for you.
Oh, thank you! I always knew I was the star gardener. Hey! Well done, Grandad.
Well done.
A rose for you.
Oh, thank you, Aunt Polly. Oh.
Before we go, Aunt Polly, please could you show us the sign for Rose?
Yes, of course. Rose. You sign. Rose. Oh, very good.
Thank you, Aunt Polly. We think you're all stars.
Oh, well, we think that you're all shining stars.
Oh.
Mr Tumble?
Well, I'm still waiting for my new ball to arrive. Woohoo! Wait.
Oh, gently does it, Mr Tumble. Well done. Are you going to open the box?
Yes! Woohoo! Ta-da!
Wow, a new bouncy ball, Mr Tumble.
Thank you. I know.
Now you can play catch with Tumble Ted.
Oh, yes. Good idea. Oh, Tumble Ted. It's time. Oh, whoa.
That's a very bouncy ball, Mr Tumble.
Oh, I know.
Where did it go?
I don't know. Oh, ball. Ball. Oh, ball. Oh, ball. Where are you?
There it is, Mr Tumble.
What?
Your new bouncy ball.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Woohoo!
Hold on tight now, Mr Tumble.
Oh, yes, I will. I don't want it to bounce away again. Hey. Hello, Mr. Tumble.
Oh, hello, shopkeeper Tumble.
Oh, hello. Have you seen Mr. Tumble anywhere?
Yes, he's chasing after a very bouncy ball, shopkeeper Tumble.
Oh dear. Oh, yes. I was worried about that. Oh, yeah, the thing is, I sent Mr. Tumble the wrong ball. It's the right one right here.
Oh, no! Mr Tumble! Mr Tumble! Come quick!
Hey. Oh, hello, Mr. Tumble. This is your new bouncy ball. Sorry about that. Thank you. And don't worry, shopkeeper Tumble.
What about the bouncy ball?
Oh, yes, the bouncy ball. Wait. Oh, Oh,
Well done, shopkeeper Tumble.
It's all right, all in a day's work. Have a nice day. Bye-bye, shopkeeper Tumble.
Mr Tumble, before you play with your new ball, please could you show us the sign for bouncy ball?
Yes. Bouncy ball. You sign. Bouncy ball. Woohoo!
Thank you, Mr Tumble. We think you're a star.
Oh, and I think you're all shining stars. Yay!
What have you got there, Mr Tumble?
Ha-ha! I've been collecting things for my relaxing time at the beach. Woohoo!
Wow, your beach is looking great, Mr Tumble.
Thank you. Now I'm ready for my relaxing time. Hey, wait.
Hang on, where are you going, Mr Tumble?
Ta-da!
What have you got there, Mr Tumble?
I've got my sun cream and a paddling pool for the sea. Woohoo! La-da-day, 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 la-da-day.
Oh, quick! Rub it in, Mr Tumble.
Now, we need the sea. Uh-huh.
What's going on?
Sorry, Grandad.
You are funny, Mr Tumble.
I know.
Oh, you don't look very relaxed, Mr Tumble.
No! I'm not relaxed, but I'm having lots of fun! Woohoo!
At least you're having fun, Mr Tumble.
Yes, I know!
Before you go, please could you show us a sign for beach?
Oh, yes! I'll just... Oh, wait. Beach! You sign beach.
Thank you, Mr Tumble. We think you're a star.
Oh, and I think you're all shining stars. Woohoo! I love to laugh and giggle. And if you want to join us for some more laughing and giggling, then you can find us on BBC iPlayer. Woohoo!